What is up guys, Then this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the whiteboard animation videos in Canva. So first you need to head over to the Canva's website and then you need to click on this create button here on the left side. And from here, you just simply need to choose videos. After choosing videos, you just need to choose the video type. I'll choose a mobile video. And after that, in the new tab, the canvas or the editor for the mobile video editor will open. So from here, you just simply need to click on design and then you need to search for whiteboard animation. And after searching here, you will see multiple pre-built templates for whiteboard animation. You can choose from one of these. Let's say I like this one, it's time for coffee. I'll just simply drag and drop it here in the timeline. And I can just simply increase the timeline if I want. When I play this, as you can see, this is the whiteboard animation video. I can just animate it a bit more and in another ways. Let's say this is the animation type like from the sideways, and this is like the shifting one, and this is the general animation. As you can see, I'm just hovering and it is previewing, and this is how you can animate the videos of whiteboard animation. Now let's move to the position, and when I click on position here, I can just change the position of the cup, the text, or the whiteboard background. And if I want to change the color, I can also change the background color. Let's say I want to keep it black, I want to keep it white, gray. I think the lighter color will suit, so this might suit it. And as you can see, uh, I have selected this gray color, and I can also just define these gradient colors, which are basically the dual tone colors. And after that, here I can also split the page or I can delete the page. And when I am done, I can just add more of these whiteboard animation videos, but I can just simply skip it and I will just simply add my own text. Let's say I am just rubbing off this text. And to add a text, I'll just simply click on text and then click on add a text box. After clicking here, you can see this is my text box. I will just simply show it to you. As you can see, this is my paragraph text, and I'll just increase it furthermore to make it visible to you. As you can see, I have made it pretty big to at least make it visible. And I will just write hello everyone, and I'll hit enter. And as you can see, my text has been placed and I can just move it anywhere I want. And this is how you can just animate the videos in Canva. And you can also edit the text styles, the dynamic text, the recently used text or the recently used font that you have used. You can also use this font. Let's say I'll just simply drag and drop it here, and you can see the brand identity font. So I'll just simply remove it from here, and then I can write anything else that I want. Let's say I'm writing hey. As you can see, I have chosen this font, and when you click on it once or twice, you will see the cursor popping. So you can just simply remove the demo text and then you can add your own text. And similarly in this too, I can just remove this text and I can add my own text. And when I'm done, I'll just simply hit enter. And as you can see, my font has been in the same style as this one. And this is how you can add a normal text box. Uh, let's say I just simply need to delete this. So to delete the text, you just simply need to backspace all the text, or you can just select it once and then click on the trash icon to delete it. And this is how you can animate your, or you can create your own whiteboard animations in Canva. And if you have an audio, you can just simply go to uploads and then you can upload your audio. Or if you have a whiteboard animation video, you can just simply drag and drop it here. So this is how you can do this thing. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.